Hello, my name is Peter. I live in Brisbane, Australia, and in March, April of last year, 2019, I met up with Eric from 5 Minute Investing. I got to know his approach and style to investing, which I really liked a lot, and so I went ahead and joined his training program. In May 29 of 2019, I purchased my first bundle of shares on the US market, the ATVI, Activision Blizzard, and I paid $43.41 per share. I bought 400 of them. That cost me $17,364. So now they're worth $73.08 a share, which has given me a gain of $11,868. And I plan to hold on to these till they reach about $75, which is not far away actually. And then also, not long after that purchase, in June of 2019, I bought 500 shares in Intel Corporation. I paid $46.73, and that cost me $23,365. Now they're trading at $62.26. Today's date is the 22nd of May 2020, and that's I'm going to hold on to these until they reach around $65, which is not far away either. So I'm really happy with that. Then this year, on January the 29th, I purchased 200 shares of Shake Shack for $67.60, January 2020. After January, in March, we had a big drop in the market. I saw an opportunity and I bought another 200 of those shares of Shake Shack for $35.04. That was on April the 2nd. So my average cost for the whole 400 shares was $51.32. So as of today, the 22nd of May, they're now trading at $52.45 a share. So I've made a small gain of $452. I'm not concerned about the market dropping like it did, because we look at the company, we look at its financials, we look at its balance sheet, and no matter what's happening, if you buy well, you'll do well, and the plan is to buy and hold for medium to long term. So I'm going to hold on to these shares until they reach around $70, and I might sell half of those. Then also on the 4th of April this year, after the market drop, I purchased 200 shares in TEK, a big mining industrial company that have been trading way higher than the price I paid for them, which was $7.38 on the 4th of April. Now today's date, they've already moved up. They're trading at $9.16, which has given me a small gain of $356. I plan to hold these also till about they reach around $20 to $25. That'll give me 3 times back the money that I've spent on the purchase price. So overall, I'm quite happy, very happy, considering the amount of work that I've put into doing this. After actually doing the research and investigating, you just basically watch what happens. And so I've a total paid out of all my shares a cost of $62,733. That's what it's all cost me. Currently, they're all valued. If I sold them all off today, I'd get back $83,174. So if you work that out, it's well over 30% return on your money. And I reckon that's a great return, considering I didn't use options to do any leverage, which I will do in the future anyway. But this is just purely on buy and hold and let them go back up. So overall, I'm really happy. I'm impressed with Eric's knowledge, his approach, very conservative. This is not a high risk business we're in. We're in a very conservative, low risk, preserve your money and see it grow. And that's what I like about it. You only get one chance at this in your life. You don't want to end up losing everything. But this is very, very good strategy, and I'd recommend anybody who wants to invest wisely in the market to have a look at Eric's program. He's a great guy. He's got time for you, and I've made a friend out of Eric. Thank you.